Hello everyone. Today we will study about plum pudding model of the atom. Okay, first atomic model was proposed by Sir J.J. Thomson, who had also discovered the electron. One thing more, it was suggested before the discovery of nucleus, this model, plum pudding model. And according to this model, the atom is a sphere of positive charge, okay, and negatively charged electrons are embedded in it. He compared negatively charged electron with plums which are embedded in positively charged pudding, hence the name plum pudding model of the atom. Thomson atomic model can also be compared with watermelon, okay, where he considered what? Watermelon seeds as negatively charged particle, that is electron, and the red part of the watermelon as positively charged proton. Okay, so it can be compared with plum pudding also, and with watermelon. Okay, then what are the main points of J.J. Thomson atomic model? Point number 1, an atom consists of positive charge sphere with electrons embedded in it. This is the first point of J.J. Thomson atomic model. Okay. Then what is the second point? An atom as a whole is electrically neutral. Why? Because negative and positive charges are equal in magnitude. Okay, negative charge and positive charges are equal in magnitude, hence an atom as a whole is electrically neutral. This is the second point or postulate of J.J. Thomson atomic model. Then what are the limitations? It failed to explain stability of an atom. Okay, how a positive charge hold the negative charge electron in an atom, and no experimental evidence in it supports. Okay, this model was discarded after Rutherford's alpha particle experiment, resulting in the discovery of nucleus. Okay, although it was not accurate model, but it proved to be the base for the development of other atomic model. Okay, that's it.